Alright, so today's adventure, it's very windy, so I cannot let these guys out because they'll get blown away. So, today's adventure is a hanging cabbage. Let's see how it goes. They're already trying to kill me for it. You saw it and they're like, what is it? We want it! So I will let them have it. Over here. Hang it with the S-hook. Oh, that looks like a good spot. There they come already. Look at that. They're up there. Hello, ladies. You gotta come down here, though. Come down here and you can see it. Oh, boy. Here we go. Let the games begin. Woohoo! Go, girls. Go, girls. Whew, it's very dusty. Go, girls. Go, girls. Get it, girls. Wonder if it's too low. Ah! Might be too crowded. Move it over a little bit. Yourself. Just a little smidgen over. There we go. Now you got more room. Go for it. Go for it. Do it. It's their way of making coleslaw. Ew, it's so gross. And this is why they call them dinosaurs. Oh my goodness. Oh, I should have saw what time it was when it started. See how long it takes them to get through it. And what I hear, they need like, I think it was 20% grain, 20% leafy stuff, and 20% protein. That's what I thought I heard from the Homestead channel. But at any rate, they're distracted enough I can fill their feed, check their water, scoop their poop, all that good stuff without harassment. So have fun, kids. Cabbage as babysitter. Well, so far they've managed to macerate the top of the cabbage. So I raised it up a little and get to the bottom. And you are growing sleepy. Get it, girl. Alright folks, here we have the Chicken Olympics for your sporting enjoyment. I know you're dying because you don't have your ball sports. So here you go. Here we go. Woo! Jump, 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 jump. Go, go, go. Good girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ooh, look at those feet come off the ground. Hold on. Let's try again. Good girl. That's not even high enough. I might have to lift it. Come on, ladies. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Jump, 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 jump. And that one is right orange, jumping for the lead, taking the lead. Right orange, go right orange, woohoo! And now we're trying right green, right green. Right green and right blue, right blue. That looks like killer to me. All right, go killer, go killer. Come on, killer. Good girl. Girls can be killers. Whoa, it's really windy. One or two more jumps. Oops, almost. Almost. That's right orange, folks. Right orange for the lead. Right orange for the lead. Oh, and someone else jumps in and I can't see who it is. It's a team effort. Oh, right green, right green. Go right green. She gets stuck down, the others eat it. Right. Get it, girl. Oh, that's funny. So I moved it over here so I could rake on the other side. They're using the trash can to their advantage. All right, Roo. Go, Roo. I lowered it a little too. Level of difficulty has been lowered. Because bored chickens take it out on each other. So if you keep them amused, apparently they're less likely to peck at each other.